Israel's time, names were attributed to God's character. Like Isaiah, God is my helper. Jeremiah, God is my provider. Yah is abbreviation of Yahweh or Jehovah. Names like Nehemiah, Zechariah, Zephaniah, etc. bearing the name of Yahweh. No? Now, also, El means power of God. Yahweh, El Shaddai, Elohim, Itzchak, God is my strength. Okay? Israel means God is my ruler. Jemuel, God is my light. Noel, Joel, Emmanuel is God is with us. During Israel's captivity by the Babylonian kingdom, their names were changed like Daniel. God is my judge, became Belshazzar, and Misael, Hananiah, Azariah became Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. In Genesis 41 verse 45, and Pharaoh called Joseph's name Zaphnath Paaneah. Okay, so kung maka-encounter that, imunaan ang pangalan, mo na itawag nga Egyptian name of Joseph. Pero nabi ng pangalanan, taas-taas, no? Ano pangalan? Siguro kung ano yung pangalan sa anak ni Galin. Joseph. Now, this is Davao. Davao Adventist Hospital sa Aperong. Ano yung mga pangalan ng mga unique, no? Sa Mountain Eucharis, doon ay apelido ng kanya. So, doon nila magtuyo si Sir Iyo, ang tundog kanya ang Cavite. May Aron, Iyo, Inato, Kabasag, nabalik na eh. While you keep on ang kanang asoy, ganun, magsukim ng asoy, no? Telling a story. Asoy, doon ay magpataling ko yun. Doon ay tuno, dungdong, magdadaro, salo, somera, mangguba, warrior, panglinawan, tulana, bolo, tamtang, durol, mubya. Ano na mubya? Ako rin kung naan yung pangalan niya, mga sikat na diha, sikat. Ako rin wala diha. No? Sa bandal, dito sa bandal roon. Okay? Isa pa, Magnetico, Bu, Tando, Tapurgo, Rico, Surigao, Piblo, Otuhan, Tando, Punay, Manata, Pasensya, Senador, Coronel, Mayor, Abogado, Doktor. So, daghan mga apelido mga kaigsunan nga kana siya. Si Manny Pacquiao, mao bilang Pilipino nga pangalan o si si Subsub. Pilipino yun na. No? Kung saan sa English ang Subsub? Okay, so there were names before that famous and virtuous in meaning, but nowadays it is already endangered. Endangered mo, wala na ganyan natin madugin. No? Okay? Now, like Agapito. So, ang meaning na is beloved or beloved. Agatha, Dorotheo, or Theodoro is God's gift. Theophilo means God's love. Eusebio, hope. Sophia, wisdom. Okay, Sophia, philosophy. Philo means love. Sophia, wisdom is lover of wisdom, meaning sa philosophy. Now, Jesus, ang meaning is Savior. Now, 2 Chronicles, chapter 7, verse 14, the Lord said, if my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves, and pray, and seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then will I hear from heaven, and will forgive their sin, and will heal their land. So, ang mga katawhan na gitawag sa ngalan sa Diyos, ang we are called Christians. Diba? We are called by God's name. We are called by His name. Nga ang pangalan ng Christians, kung ang Christ, ang ginapangalan kita sa gitawag ng Christians because of Christ. Okay? Ang mga characteristics sa mga Christians are humble. Okay? Now, a good name is better than